Hello, great people. Welcome back to our global happenings today. We are really excited to have you again. Nnamdi Kanu's case has come and gone, but there are still issues to be considered. Number one was what happened to the representative of United Kingdom when he approached Nnamdi Kanu after the court to speak with him. You get to hear the full details in a jiffy. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. All right, let's look at the news in detail. Operative of the Department of State Services on Wednesday blocked a British diplomat from speaking with the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Eno Agodo, British Vice Consul, Lagos State, has attended Kanu's trial before Justice Binta Nyako at the Federal High Court, Abuja, on Wednesday, where the pro-Biafran agitator appeared on a 15-count amended charge bordering on treasonable felony and terrorism. According to Premium Times, at the close of the proceeding in the suit at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday, Agodo first sought the permission of Ifeanyi Ejiofor, Kanu's lead counsel, to speak with his client, which was granted. But as the British envoy gained access to the dock where Kanu, who holds dual citizenship in Nigeria and the United Kingdom, was speaking with family members, she was intercepted by the Director of Legal Services of the Secret Police, an operative who had formed a wall around IPOB leader. Thereafter, Premium Times sought to speak with Agodo on what transpired, but she declined. A political counselor at the British High Commission, Jonathan Bacon, had written a letter dated January 11, 2022, and addressed to the trial judge Nyako, where he sought permission for Agodo to attend Kanu's trial from January 18 to 20, 2020. In the letter entitled Nnamdi Kanu Trial, Access for British Consular Official to Attend Federal High Court 18 to 20 January 2022, the British High Commission specifically requested that Agodo attended the IPOB leadership trial as an observer. It had been reported earlier this morning how Kanu, through his lawyer Ejiofor, petitioned British government, the United States and the United Nation to grace his appearance in court. Kanu, after he fled Nigeria in 2017 due to threats, lived in the United Kingdom following invasion of his house by Nigerian soldiers in 2017. This tore his trial in Nigeria for years until he was extraordinarily rendition reportedly in Kenya and brought back to Nigeria in June last year. While abroad, Kanu continued reaching out to his Nigerian followers through social media channel as linked to Eastern Security Network, the arm wing of IPOB, escalated in the southeast. During the period, the UK government also resisted calls from the Nigerian government to declare IPOB a terrorist organization as it was done in Nigeria in 2017. Blocking the American lawyer from having access to Kanu on Wednesday highlights what appears to be government desperation to cut him off from having any contact with foreigners or their agents. A similar scenario played out during Kanu's trial on Tuesday when Mike Zohome, a senior advocate of Nigeria who led the IPOB leaders' defense team, made frantic but unsuccessful effort to get Bruce Fein, a United States lawyer, to attend the court session. Fein, a counsel to the secessionist group in the U.S., has not been able to have the audience with Kanu as he claimed several attempts to visit the IPOB leader at the SSS detention facility in Abuja had been resisted. According to him, he said, "I have not been able to meet with my client, Mr. Kanu, since I arrived in Nigeria," Fein said in an interview last December. Official of the State Security Service wouldn't let me meet Kanu, Fein added, saying the action of the spy agency is a gross violation of Kanu's fundamental human right. The American Constitutional Council had received similar treatment during previous proceeding in the case. While it could not be ascertained if Agodo's presence in court was in response to Kanu's request, the American embassy had no representative at the proceeding last Tuesday and Thursday. Wow, this is another way of sending out, call it a negative signal about what has been going on, and it's really shocking that they declined him meeting with, I'm talking about Kanu, meeting with the representative, or let me call it observer from United Kingdom. I'm really shocked that happened, because according to the information, if you look therein, you will notice that actually it was written to, they had already written a letter, to Justice Nyako, informing her that a representative of the United Kingdom will be coming, to attend the stuff. But I'm shocked that they didn't allow her to meet Kanu. But however, let's just look at what Nigerians have to say in that regard. Someone here say Britain is almost bankrupt. They now resort to coalition with Sunni Islamic of northern Nigeria. It's almost pitiful to watch. They lost their past glory to America. So instead of picking on America, they are so low that they find solace in manipulating northern Nigerians, illiterate, half-brain, quasi-Africans, in an effort to use their weapons to covet and steal our oil. This one says Agodo is just to attend the proceeding, not to speak to, stroke with anyone. Someone says, good. How does Kanu afford an American solicitor, or is it pro bono? IPOP sponsors should be investigated. Now one here says, are you people scared of a foreign person coming in to salvage the situation? Don't you think that Kanu has that fundamental human right of bringing in anyone for representation when it comes to a case that is as serious as the one he is currently facing? Another person here says, Kanu should know that he is not an ordinary citizen. He has been accused of something very serious, so there is no way they can allow anybody to just come in and talk to him. If that must happen, it must be through the Department of State Services. Another person here says, what were you expecting if they have stopped Bruce Fein from having any interaction with him? What do you expect of United Kingdom? If America is far stronger than United Kingdom, so there is no way they can allow the representative of United Kingdom to speak to him when they have hindered that of United States of America. The last one I'm going to consider here say Nigeria is into some very serious issue of violation of fundamental human rights. It is littered everywhere in our society. I'm wondering what the future will look like if today it's like this. Every day people are playing down on even court order without caring. All right, I'd like to leave it there. Just go to our comment section. What's your position? Being that an observer from United Kingdom was declined access to Nnamdi Kanu, does this change anything, or is it a signal out to United Kingdom of how they are rated before Nigerians? Let's interact in our comments.